Hi, I'm Molly.
And I'm Adori.
And today we're going to learn how to whip stitch a stuffy closed. So Adori's been working on this Whale Amina patterns, cute whale stuffy, and we're at the final step now where we have stuffed the whale, but we need to close this opening that we still have. So what you're going to need for this is maybe some pins and a needle threaded with embroidery floss. So when we're working with kids, we like to use these bigger embroidery needles. They're just a little bit easier to thread and to handle. And Adori's a pro at this. You want to take your opening and kind of pinch together the edges. And you can just kind of stick a pin in those to get them closed. All right, go ahead, take it away. So she's gonna take the needle and just hide her knot by going from the inside through the outside first, and then she just hides the tail of her thread into the inside of the stuffy. And a whip stitch means that you're going up and around. So she's gonna keep going, taking the needle and going in from the same side of the whale each time, and then coming back out through the other side. And just kind of pinching together the fabric before every stitch. You can take the pin out when you get to it. So we're at the tail end of the whip stitch now. She's on those last couple stitches. And now we're going to tie off the stitching with a knot. So she makes a loop and then puts the needle through the loop, holds down the knot and pulls. Can you show us that another time, Dory? So make a loop, put the needle through the loop, hold down the knot, and pull back in the same place. Okay, and then we're gonna cut off the, there we go. And that is what our whip stitch looks like to finish off our whale. And now our whale is done.